Here I have Realme GT 2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts on this device. So firstly you have to go to the contacts application, tap here, switch to the service numbers, tap here, go to the fix and manage, then select import from SIM. Here you can select where you want to copy them, to your email or to your device. Here you can select which contacts you want to copy and then tap import, and after that these contacts will be copied to your device from your SIM card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.